Hi there, welcome to part 1, lesson 1 of the course. So in this lesson I'm going to quickly explain to you how you can get something really basic like this and then turn it into something like this. From something basic like this, turn it into something like this, something basic like this, into something that's a lot more complex like this. Alright, so when you're just getting started with graph or with graffiti lettering, you might notice that letters like these, it seems really, I guess you can say, sporadic, and all these details are added on whenever you feel like it, or these details are put on really randomly, so to speak. Truth is that these details are actually added on really systematically. Alright, so how do we get from this to something like this, you're asking? Well, every alphabet letter is actually composed of a couple of different components. First of all, we have the pillar, and then we have the bridge, we have the feet, the hanger, and the curves. And I'm going to get into detail for these different components later on in this program. Alright, so those are the basic components of a letter. And you can actually add different tweaks to it. And the more tweaks you add to a basic letter, the more complex it's going to look. So the different tweaks I'm going to explain real quickly. You have first of all the perspective tweak, you have the contrast tweak, you have the flow tweak, and the bend tweak. Once you add either 1, 2, 3, or sometimes 4 tweaks to a basic letter, you get something that's complex that kind of looks like this. And again, I'm going to go into these different tweaks later on in this program. So to summarize, the alphabet letters may look really complex when it's turned into a graffiti style. It may seem really arbitrary and really random. The tweaks may seem really random, but in reality, it's very systematic. You basically take the basic letter and you apply the tweaks to the components of the letter, and you get something that's really complex, and it looks like this. So the next couple lessons, I'm going to start going into detail. Alright, so that's it.